In this video, you'll learn how to complete the OKX verification process. By following these steps, you will ensure your account is fully verified, allowing you to access all features available on the platform. Begin by opening the OKX app on your mobile device. Once the app is open, locate and tap the icon that resembles 9 squares usually found on the main screen. This action will direct you to the app's main menu where you can access various features. Next, look for the option labeled Profile or Me, located at the top left corner of the screen. Tapping this will take you to your account profile where you can manage your personal information and settings. Once you are on your profile page, find and tap on the Identity Verification option. This will initiate the verification process, guiding you through the necessary steps to confirm your identity. The first step requires you to enter your personal information, fill in your full legal name, date of birth, and the country you reside in. Ensure that the information you provide is accurate, as discrepancies may delay the verification. After entering your personal information, you will proceed to the second step, which involves uploading an identification document. Here you will need to choose one of the following options: a passport, a national ID, or a driver's license. Make sure to take clear photos of the front and back of your chosen document, as clarity is essential for successful verification. The third step is the face check. You will need to perform a selfie or liveness scan as instructed on the screen. Follow the prompts carefully to ensure your face is captured correctly. Once you have completed the scan, tap the submit button to send your verification request. After submitting your information, you may need to wait a few minutes to a few hours for the verification process to complete. During this time, you can check for a notification or status update. Once verified, you will see a confirmation message stating verified on your profile. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next UN